The big build has been quite a journey, an adventure, an incredible achievement.
There's going to be 2 days in the water, 4 days in total, while our partners are going to come together to restore and outplant 30,000 corals across a single reef system, and that will be the biggest ever done in such a short period of time.
The biggest challenges right now is how to manage the communities that still doing blast fishing. So many coral dead because of destructive fishing. So it's really important to help coral to grow.
To be able to build at scale in the way that we build and restore reefs here in Indonesia, it is crucial and vital that we have all of the community engaged, not only in their hands-on experience in helping us with the corals, but also in their support and their engagement in reef restoration of the reefs in their local area.
Saya bangga sekali karena seluruh Indonesia datang di Pulau Bontosoa ini melakukan big deal untuk membantu membantu masyarakat untuk penanaman karang. Kalau karang bagus, otomatis ombaknya itu pecah dari luar. Dan saya juga merasa sangat-sangat bangga. Kalau perasaan tidak bisa saya gambarkan. Ya, tidak bisa saya gambarkan dengan
Bagi Indonesia, laut itu adalah bagian dari jati diri bangsa. Jadi bukan pilihan, ini keniscayaan. Sudah sunnatullah, sudah begitu memang adanya. Sehingga kalau Indonesia tidak mengelola laut, tidak memanfaatkan laut, itu sama dengan orang yang tidak tahu jati dirinya dan lupa pada jati dirinya.
You know, what Mars has done by themselves, I think they've proved that restoration at scale works. Now, involving partners from around Indonesia is both inspiring and also is hopeful for the future.